How can something be vegan, gluten-free, incredibly tasty, and easy to make? I'll show you how with this banana treat that is great for breakfast or dessert. Let's get baking. Today we're making a moist, sweet, delicious chocolate chip banana loaf. First we'll take 3 average-sized bananas and mash them up in a large bowl. You just want to make sure that your bananas are brown on the outside for sure. I've made that mistake. I've used bananas that weren't quite ripe and they are not that flavorful. Next, we'll add all of the wet ingredients. 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/3 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. After that, we'll stir in half a cup of brown sugar, and now we'll whisk until combined. Next up, the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose gluten-free flour, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. The xanthan gum is optional if your gluten-free flour already has that in it. 1/4 cup almond flour, pinch of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons baking powder. Next, we're gonna give that a stir. And once that's fully combined, we'll fold in half a cup of vegan chocolate chips. Then we just pour the batter into a loaf pan. I've oiled mine and lined it with parchment paper. It's a good idea to slam it down sometimes just to make sure you're getting the bottom completely covered. Lastly, we'll bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Once out of the oven, we'll let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, let's do a little taste test. It's perfect amount of chocolate balanced with that banana. There's a few chunks of banana in here, but it's definitely mixed all the way through. Super easy, perfect for any time of the day. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, see ya.